money. I was down, but I'm always gonna get back up. I'm arranged, but I know I'm gonna get that truck.
I feel like this is like the official getting ready in my house spot. The sun is just so nice right here. I just like it. Period. Hey YouTube, it's me Kristianna and welcome back to my channel. Get in. We're going to the thrift store. It's Labor Day, okay? Happy Labor Day. If you know, actually, like Labor Day is like Christmas for people in the labor movement. I am in the labor movement and I just got back from the parade. The parade this year was really good, actually. And I feel like each year it gets better, kind of thing, you know what I mean? But regardless, it's always a good time because I'm with my people, you know what I'm saying? Workers over billionaires, period. Anywho, I'm home now and I got a little bit of energy about me today. And so I think after walking several miles in the parade, I'm gonna go to the thrift store. I think I'm gonna go to the one in Jersey. I've been thinking about the thrift store. Okay, so I go to what's called 2nd Avenue Thrift. I don't know if that's like a thing where you are, but that's the name of the like chain now of thrift stores that have popped up. And my favorite thrift store used to be called, I think it was called Thrift Village, and then 2nd Avenue like bought it or whatever, so that's the place in Jersey. But they've also been popping up and like making new stores. There is one in Philly that popped up recently, but I just like actually have stuff in mind this time, like that I want to look for, and I don't want to take a risk of going to a new store and knowing that, like, not knowing if they're gonna have what I'm looking for, you know what I'm saying? We're like right now, you know, look, technically we have a couple more weeks of summer left, even though everybody usually switches to fall mode as soon as it's like September 1st. It's technically it's still summer. However, I do want to start getting some fall pieces in. I want to look for some blazers. So I'm going to spend some time in the men's section. I should say that. We're spending some time in the men's section today. I want to look at some blazers and I want to look at some like beat up, like old t-shirts, like not beat up, but like worn. There you go. Worn t-shirts. Because I just don't have enough to like style with things that I like. I want t-shirts that I'm not wearing to bed, if that makes sense. Like I have plenty of night. I have plenty of night shirts, but I don't have a lot of like t-shirts that I would style and wear out in the world, and so I want to kind of look for that too. So I don't know, we got some stuff in mind. I'm keeping that like fall, we're going into fall kind of mindset, and I just want to see what they got. Oh, I should say that today's 50% off because it's Labor Day, so that's where we're going. Hello, I'm back. I gotta tell you, it's been getting harder and harder to keep showing up, but here I am. Okay, so it's like 2 days later, and this bag of clothes that I got from the thrift store has been like sitting next to the door ever since. But I really want to wash this stuff, but I want to show you first what is here, before I do all that. I don't think we're gonna do a try on because most of this stuff is like, I don't know, self-explanatory, or it just isn't like so cool that I need to try it on, you know. But I did get some goodies. I spent about $57 and I feel good about where we are. Okay, so the first thing was these shoes. I love a pointed toe, like flat. Have tons of them, you know. I saw these and I was like, I think these are for me. I think I'm supposed to take these with me. And they were only $3 with the sale. I found this like kind of slinky kind of summer dress. It's just like a, what they call it, a sundress. I plan to wear this to bed, if I'm being honest. Let me back up some. It's really, really, really long, but I'm definitely wearing this to bed. Oh, and the bottom is kind of scoopy. I don't know if you can see that too, but the bottom has like a scoop kind of shape. It's giving nighttime to me. Next thing, I don't know if this is gonna fit, but if it doesn't, I will give it to someone. But it's another dress. I just thought it was really cute. And it's got this kind of like accordion stretchy way about it. And the color is really beautiful. So we'll see. I got a lot of tops. But that was kind of the point of why I wanted to go. I found this striped t-shirt, just very plain, but I needed a new one because the one I had started not to work out as well. I thought this was from Shein at first, but it's not. I'm somebody who's like open to buying secondhand Shein. I don't mind it. Some people are really bothered by that. I don't mind as much. But this is not from Shein. I should stop talking about Shein. But like, I thought this was really like a cute shirt that I could wear to work. Back in Rachel is what it says on the tag of this. But this is just like a plain black top. I like the material. It's kind of, I don't know, it's stretchy. It's kind of not satin. I don't know what this is. Child, don't get me to lying. But I just like how it's kind of stretchy, but oversized too. Yeah, it's got spandex in it. We all knew it was polyester, but there's a certain amount of like spandex in here too. I like it. You know, I'm always gonna pick me up a polka dotted top. Found this one. And it is a little bit sheer, so I have to wear something underneath it. I found two blazers, so I'm really excited. We can try the blazers on real quick. So this first one is black. I think, hold on, let me actually make it so you can see. Yeah, I like it. It fits well. It's a men's blazer. I was thinking maybe like do some kind of thing where I roll up the ends like this, but it's cute. Oh, the pockets are fake. That's a bummer, but anyway, I like it. Next is what is this, tweed wool? Yeah, I didn't try this one on, so I don't even know if it's gonna fit. Okay, it does fit. Okay, that would have been awkward. But again, I think I could like just kind of fold up the ends of the arms, because my arms are super long. I'm 5'9", mostly legs and arms. But the pockets are real on this one, so that's cool. Period. I really like both of these. Next thing, I got this, hopefully it'll be oversized on me, but I got this shirt that I thought I could wear with some leggings and boots when it starts to get cooler. Make it kind of sexy. The arms on this are kind of long though, so that's kind of nice. But again, from the men's section, because that's where all the good stuff is. Then I got a truckload of t-shirts, like a truckload of t-shirts. Some of them say stuff, some of them don't. I think this one doesn't. Yeah, but it was like kind of soft and I liked that. Some like Philly love stuff. More Philly stuff. Yeah, just like some random shirts, you know. And that's it. That's the end of the haul. I am very satisfied with where I landed with this. I remembered that it was a good haul, but seeing it again is just reminding me that I like what I got this time. You know, it's been really hit and miss lately, so to actually have a good thrift haul, I'm happy about it. Gonna go wash all this stuff immediately, and probably need to wash me now. I done tried some stuff on, but it's fine. Anyway, thanks for kicking it with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.